guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm showing off my sister's room tour, and here she is. Show the thumbs up. Sorry you can't see me, guys. And before we start off the video, giving a shout out to Jessica McKittrick for being my 40th subscriber. So well done, Jessica. Let's start. Let's get into my sister's room. So right whenever we get into the video, give me the thumbs up. Here is her LOL doll house. I think it is really cool.
So dolls to have.
Here's her frames. It says Princess Rules. Believe in true love. Smile, giggle, and be silly. Wear a tiara. Wish on stars. Dream big and believe in fairy tales. And here is her other house with here's our Beauty and the Beast house. Here's her makeup table.
And you can see my pillow.
Here's her teddy. Her Snow White pillow. And her TV with loads of teddies around it. Yeah. And the most important thing in a bedroom, a bed. Because it's a bedroom. Yeah. And her bed, and let's look inside. There's pillows in there. Of course. Let's go into the bathroom. Scarlett's bathroom.
Yeah.
Here's her pink toilet, her covered thing.
And look what's inside it.
Her doll.
Kids.
And she's got strawberry laces. Yeah. Look, it says strawberry laces right there.
Yeah.
You see it? And she's got her toothpaste, her toothbrush. Can you see me, guys? And you press this button.
Make it open up.
Wait. Oh, what? How does this open? How does this open again? You push this? Yeah. Have you locked these? Okay, Scarlett, I'll lock them. Here is her shelf, her coat hanger,
and the boy was my face.
Shower, and she's brushing her teeth right there. Guys, I just want to let you see me. And guys, give a shout out to Jessica McKittrick. Well done for being my 40th subscriber. Goodbye.